It's an Amber Alert.
I know.
The Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber child abduction for South Lebanon Township Police, Lebanon County. South Lebanon Police are searching for two Hispanic males. Short black hair, brown eyes. Jaden DeJesus, 6 years of age, 3 feet plus inches tall. Thin build, Michael Jordan, red shirt with blue jeans, multicolored sneakers. Angel DeJesus, 11, 4 feet 9 inches tall. Thin build, wearing white Nike shirt, blue jeans. They were last seen in the area of East Evergreen Road, South Lebanon Township, Lebanon County. They were abducted by Luis DeJesus Ario, Hispanic male, 29 years of age, 6 feet 1 tall, black hair, brown eyes, mustard yellow shirt, driving a 2009 Mitsubishi four-door sedan, PA tag KZZ2158. The Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber child abduction alert for South Lebanon Township Police in Lebanon County. South Lebanon Township Police are searching for two abducted Hispanic males, both short black hair, brown eyes. Jaden DeJesus, 6 years of age, over 3 feet tall, thin build, wearing a red Michael Jordan shirt, jeans, and multicolored sneakers. Angel DeJesus, 11, 4 feet 9 inches tall, thin build, wearing a white Nike shirt, blue jeans. They were last seen in the area of East Evergreen Road, South Lebanon Township, Lebanon County. They were reported abducted by Luis DeJesus Ario, Hispanic male, 29 years of age, 6 feet 1 inches tall, black hair, brown eyes, mustard yellow shirt, driving a silver or gray 2009 Mitsubishi four-door sedan, PA tag KZZ2158. Anyone with information should immediately contact Lebanon Police at 717-272-2054 or 911. For more information, go to www.amber.pa.gov.